Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys are all doing fine. Today we're going to learn how to create a new virtual machine in the VM VirtualBox Manager. Okay, first you're gonna go click in new. Okay, and suppose I wanted to create a Linux machine. So I'm gonna give RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So I currently have 7.0. Oh, shoot. Okay, alright. So it automatically selects the version and the type once you give the name. Okay, so for normally if you're using a command line interface, 1 gig of RAM would be more than enough. So I'm gonna go create next. So VDI. Regarding the storage, I think this should be good. Okay, the virtual machine is created, but now we're gonna need to set some of the attributes inside it, like storage. So first of all, we need an ISO image to boot or install the operating system in the virtual machine. So you need to load the ISO file. I already have it here, so you can download it, and yep, you can just click here. You can choose it, and you can choose which. I wanted to install Red Hat, so go and select the RHEL 7 disk. So that's it. And next we're gonna go to network. So I'm gonna keep it NAT. If you want to putty your VM from outside the VirtualBox, you can enable a second adapter and give it as a host only adapter. So I have a couple of adapters here, so I'm gonna select this one maybe. Yeah, that should do it. And yeah, for desktop this type of adapter is good, and it's cable connected. So I think we're good for a basic command line interface, Red Hat Enterprise Linux virtual machine. So I'm going to click on OK. Alright, let's start this. Okay, so this is the installation page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install. Alright. Okay, we're in the installation page here, so it's a step by step. I'll walk you through it. So first you need to select the language. Um, so this page, we select how we want our operating system to be. So if you want a graphical interface, user interface, you can just click on the software selection and go to the server with GUI. And you can select a few parameters here based on your requirement. So I'm gonna go with minimal install as this is my first video, so I don't want to mess it up. And okay, so minimal install gives you the basic functionality, the command line interface and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on done. And regarding partitioning, I'll get back to this in another video. So for now, we'll just go ahead with the VirtualBox install. Okay, so so regarding partitioning, I'm gonna make another video about this. But first of all, today we're gonna make one Linux virtual machine in the VirtualBox software. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and select automatically configure partitioning. It will by default be selected. And make sure that this tick icon, see that? This tick icon, so that the hard disk is selected. And go ahead and click on done. Okay, and this is the core thing, network. So here, as you can see, there are two network interfaces. So both of them are showing as disconnected. Just go ahead and switch them on. Okay, as you can see, you've got an IP address here. Okay, and you wanna give it a little host name or something. Okay, I'm gonna give it as bob.example.com. So that's gonna make it. That's gonna be its host name now. Okay, so go ahead and click on done and click on begin installation. So you can set up a root password in the meanwhile while it gets installed. Okay, I'm gonna give something easier so that I can remember it. That's it. That should do it. Okay guys, I think the installation is complete. And so I'm gonna go ahead and reboot the machine. Let's see if it's good or did I mess it up. That is totally normal. So, okay. I'm gonna log in as a root. Great, we're in. So this is how we create a new virtual machine, particularly in Red Hat. I'm gonna make another video regarding the Windows box machine. So if you want more of my videos, click the subscribe button. If you like this video, click the like button. Thank you, have a nice day.